Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can join Spotify Family Plan. It's pretty simple. You just want to search for Spotify Family Plan on your browser and click on the first option where it says Spotify Premium Family. Click on it and log in into your account. Since I've already logged in into my account, it shows my profile. So once you log in into your account, you want to click on Get Started over here. Once you click on Get Started, it's going to take you to this place. From over here, it's going to show you your premium family plan. So you can get up to 6 premium account under this one payment, and it's going to cost you $16.99 plus tax, and it's monthly. Okay? And once you do this, you need to enter the place where you live, the town or the city, and you need to enter the state where you live, and you need to enter your zip code. After you enter your address, you want to choose which method of payment you want to use. After you choose a payment method, you just need to fill this form up, like enter your card detail, your card's expiration date, and its security code, and just click on buy now. And basically your Spotify family plan will be bought. Once your family plan is bought, basically done, you have set yourself up a Spotify family plan. That's simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.